Hello Year 1 and welcome back to Mr Mulhern Music. Today we are going to have a look at dynamics and I'll explain what they are really soon. But first, let's warm up a bit. Let's get your hands ready. I'll play something, you play it back. Are you ready? Fantastic. Let's move on to dynamics. Now, dynamics is how loud or how quiet our music is. So, it would be boring if music stayed the same all the time. So we need it to get louder and to get quieter to make it more interesting. So I'm going to set you a composition task. That means you're going to write me a piece of music. And for this, you're going to need a few things. So let's start with these 3 boxes. So there's an empty box. Empty box means silence. No playing at all. Our thin line means quiet. What do you think that thick line means then? It means loud. So we've got 3 options for our composition already. We've got silence, we've got quiet, and we've got loud. I think though, you need a bigger challenge than that. So here's 2 more boxes. Look at this first one. It starts really small and gets bigger. What do you think happens in that box? Well, you start quiet and get louder like this. So if that's what happens when it starts small and gets big, what do you think happens on the box where it starts big and gets smaller? Well, I think you've got it. It's the opposite. We're going to start loud and get quiet. Here we go. Okay, so how are we going to use those? Well, we're going to use this grid with 16 boxes. If you want to, you can download a worksheet with this on from the description below, or you can just draw a box with 16 different boxes in it. So, fill out your grid however you want. As many boxes of silent as you want, as many boxes of as loud, of quiet, of getting louder and getting quieter as you want. This is my piece. Have a look at this. So you can see I've used everything. I've left some silence. I'll play you my piece. And what I'll do to make it really clear where I am, when I'm playing it, I'll light that box up in yellow so you can see. You ready? Here we go. Did you follow that piece? I had 8 beats, or 8 claps for each of my boxes. So I think you can have a go at joining in with me now. Are you ready? We'll play my piece. Ready, here we go. 1, So, over to you now. You are going to come up with your own version of this. Once you've drawn it out, play it and see if then you could maybe make it even better. If you're feeling very clever, you could change just doing claps to doing rhythm. So you could go. As an example of my first line. It's up to you. The challenge is now yours. Enjoy it, have fun, and make some music.